Anu company forfeited 200 equity shares of rupees 10 each for non-payment of final call money of 3 per share. So entry podalama. Share capital account data, share final call, forfeited shares. Share capital account எவ்வளவு 200 into 10. சரியா 200 into 10. Final call எவ்வளவு 200 into 3. போடலாமா share capital account data 200 into 10. Final call 200 into 3. 10 minus 3 என்னது 7. So 7 forfeited shares. So 200 into 10 2000 rupees. 200 into 3 600. 200 into 7 1400. Shares forfeited. Next என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கான் the shares were reissued at rupees 6 per share. Reissue entry போடலாமா bank account data forfeited shares account data to share capital. Share capital எவ்வளவு 200 into 10. reissue பண்ணா bank க்கு எவ்வளவு amount வருது reissue to Lakshman at rupees 6. அப்ப 6 rupees bank க்கு வருது 200 into 6. 10 minus 6 எவ்வளவு 4. So 4 ன்றது forfeiture. So share capital 200 into 10 2000. Bank 200 into 6 1200. Forfeiture எவ்வளவு 200 into 4 800. Forfeited shares reissued. Next என்ன forfeited shares account data to capital reserve. எவ்வளவு இருக்கு 7 rupees forfeited shares. இங்க எவ்வளவு இருக்கு forfeited shares 4. 7 minus 4 என்னது 3. அப்ப 200 into 3 600. Gain on reissue of forfeited shares transferred to reserve account. Gautam Limited forfeited 500 shares of rupees 10 each for non-payment of final call money of rupees 2 per share. Share capital account data to share final call forfeited shares. Share capital account எவ்வளவு 500 into 10. Final call money 500 into 2. 10 minus 2 8. Share capital account 500 into 10 5000. Share final call 500 into 2 1000. Share forfeiture account 500 into 8 4000. Shares forfeited. These shares were forfeited and reissued at rupees 8 per share. Reissued at rupees 8 per share. Bank account data, forfeited shares account data to share capital. Forfeited shares நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Share capital எவ்வளவு 500 into 10. பேங்க்குக்கு எவ்வளவு பணம் வருது 8 rupees வருது 500 into 8. 10 minus 8 என்னது 2. So 500 into 8 4000. 500 into 2000. 500 into 10 5000. Forfeited shares reissued. இந்த ஷேரை forfeiture பண்ணி reissue பண்ணதுல gain எவ்வளவு 8 minus 2 6. அப்போ 500 into 6 gain. Forfeited shares account data to capital reserve எவ்வளவு 8 minus 2 6. 500 into 6 3000. Gain on reissue of forfeited shares transfer to capital reserve account. Next problem. Marudhu Limited forfeited 150 shares of rupees 10 each for non-payment of final call money of 4 per share. Entry போடலாமா share capital account data share final call account forfeited shares account. Share capital எவ்வளவு 150 into 10. Final call எவ்வளவு 150 into 4. 10 minus 4 600 என்னது forfeited shares. So 150 into 10 1500. 150 into 4 600. 150 into 6 900 being shares forfeited. Of these 100 shares were reissued at rupees 9 per share. 100 shares were reissued at rupees 9 per share. Bank account data forfeited shares account data to share capital. Share capital எவ்வளவு 100 into 10. Bank எவ்வளவு பணம் வருது reissued at rupees 9 per share. அப்ப 100 into 9. 10 minus 9 1. 100 into 10 10,000. 100 into 9 900. 100 into 1 100. Being forfeited shares reissued. Share forfeiture account data or forfeiture shares account data to capital reserve. இதுல எவ்வளவு gain 6ல 1 போச்சுனா எவ்வளவு 5. 6 minus 1 5. 100 into 5 500ன்றது நமக்கு gain on forfeiture reissue of forfeiture shares. 100 into 5 500 500. Gain on reissue of forfeiture shares. Transfer to capital reserve account. That capital reserve account transfer பண்ணியாச்சு. Nivida Limited forfeited 1000 shares of rupees 10 each for non-payment of final call money of 4 per share. Share capital account data to share final call to forfeiture shares. Share capital எவ்வளவு 1000 into 10. Final call money எவ்வளவு 1000 into 4. That is call money. Share call account data போலாம், share final call account data போலாம். 10 minus 4 6. Share capital account 1000 into 10 10,000. Share final call account 1000 into 4 4000. Forfeiture shares account 1000 into 6 6000. Shares forfeiture. Bank account data reissue 800 shares were reissued at rupees 7 per share. Bank account data share forfeiture account data to share capital. Share capital 800 into 10. Reissue எவ்வளவு 7 per share. அப்ப பேங்க்குக்கு பணம் எவ்வளவு வரும் 7 rupees வரும். 800 into 7. 10 minus 7 3. 800 into 10 8000. 800 to 7 5600. 800 into 3 2400. Forfeiture shares reissued. Forfeiture shares account data to capital reserve. 6 minus 3 3. அப்ப 800 into 3 2400. Gain on reissue of forfeiture shares transfer to capital reserve account. Gemini Limited forfeited 20 equity shares of 10 each 7 called up. அப்ப நம்ம கணக்கு 7க்கு போறோம் சரியா. Share capital account data to first call to forfeiture shares. அப்ப 20 into 7 வந்து share capital. Share first call எவ்வளவு 7 minus 5 2. Application allotment கழிச்சாச்சுனா balance இருக்கிறது call 7 minus 5 2 20 into 2. அப்ப 7 minus 2 என்னது 5 ன்றது forfeiture shares. 20 into 7 140. 20 into 2 40. 20 into 5 100. Shares forfeited. அப்ப these shares of these shares 15 shares were reissued at rupees 6 per share. சரியா 15 shares என்ன செய்யறான் reissue பண்றான். paid up எவ்வளவு 6. அப்ப bank account data share forfeiture account data to share capital எவ்வளவு வரும் 15 into 7 share capital. பேங்க்குக்கு எவ்வளவு பணம் வருது 6 rupees. 15 into 6 7 minus 6 1. 7 minus 6 1. So 15 into 6 எவ்வளவு 15 into 7 105. 15 into 6 90. 15 into 1 15. Forfeiture shares reissued. அடுத்த என்ட்ரி என்ன forfeiture shares account data to capital reserve. 5 இங்க இருக்கு forfeiture sharesல gain. இங்க 1 rupees forfeiture sharesல loss இருக்கு. 5 minus 1 4. Very good. 15 into 4 60. Gain on reissue of forfeiture shares transfer to capital reserve account. Next problem. Nadia Textile Limited forfeited 100 shares of rupees 10 each. 8 called up. அப்ப நம்ம 8க்கு sum போடணும். Had paid application and allotment money 6. அப்ப 8 minus 6 2 ன்றது first call. சரியா? Share capital account data to first call account to forfeiture shares account. ஷேர் கேபிட்டல் எவ்வளவு 100 into 8. ஷேர் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கால் 100 into 2, அதாவது 8 minus 6 அப்ளிகேஷன் அலாட்மெண்ட் கழிச்சிட்டா பேலன்ஸ் இருக்கிறது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கால் 2. 8 minus 2 6ன்றது forfeiture shares. ஷேர் கேபிட்டல் 800, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கால் 200, 100 into 2, 100 into 6, 600, share forfeiture account. Shares forfeited. Of these, 75 shares were reissued at rupees 7 per share paid up. 75 shares என்ன செய்யலாம் reissue பண்றான். reissue entry என்ன bank account data, forfeiture shares account data, to share capital. சரியா share capital எவ்வளவு 75 into 8. bank எவ்வளவு பணம் வருது 7 rupees. 75 into 7. 8 minus 7 1. So 75 into 8 600. 75 into 7 525. 75 into 1 75. Forfeiture shares reissued. Forfeiture shares account data to capital reserve 6 minus 1 5. 75 into 5 அளவு 375. gain on reissue of forfeiture shares transfer to capital reserve account. இந்த கணக்கு உனக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். திரும்பி சொல்றேன். forfeiture க்கு என்ன என்ட்ரி share capital account data to call to forfeiture shares. reissue க்கு என்ன என்ட்ரி bank account data forfeiture account data to share capital. capital reserve க்கு என்ன என்ட்ரி transfer பண்றதுக்கு gain forfeiture shares account data to capital reserve. இந்த என்ட்ரி ஞாபகம் வச்சிட்டீங்கன்னா இந்த சம் ஈஸியா போட்டுடலாம். இது 5 mark problem. Thank you.